Okay, so what took me the longest is trying to figure out if I was going to worry about the distance between the colors. And if anybody knows me, I'm not that particular about things. And I really think it's going to look better since art, for me, has no rhyme or reason. So I'm going that way. So what we're going to do is just go for it. They're not going to be even. That's okay. Because I am not worried about that. Although I am worried if I've got enough yellow paint or not. How we're going to fix that is probably take a popsicle stick and do a swipe down that one. And I'm probably going to swipe that red because I'm not too excited about how that's looking. And for this green, I'm going to pour a little black in that. Jazz it up a little bit. Okay. My blue. A little bit more white in this guy here. I like that. And my purple. Where is my purple? I just had it. There it is. Okay, my yellow, not too excited. Red, I'm not too thrilled either, so let's just swipe like this. Okay. Now for my yellow, I don't want to mess my green up, so I don't know where my offset spatulas are, but take a little bit of black and I'm going to swoop down through there. I like my orange pretty well, so let's just put a little bit on the ends here. Actually gonna swipe that. I need a stick for my green. Looks good. I'm actually gonna use this right here. That blue. Pretty good. My purple. if my orange looks a little plain. Spin this guy around, so I have to do some touch-ups on my black for sure. Okay, let's take, what was this, blue? Okay, my purple. Keep losing my purple. What's going on here? Come back, purple. Okay, now let's fix my orange on this side and my yellow. Okay. Yellow, I barely have anything left. Let's do that. All right. I think that looks pretty good. Now I may do a sand mixture with sand and black acrylic paint and spread it there, and then when I peel the tape off, I'm going to have texture on either side here, and then in between we'll just have the black wood. I'm going to take my camera off and show you guys. Oops, finger over the lens. And I love that purple. Those cool blue spots popping up. Aren't those nice? If I can get my finger out of the way. Alright. It's an extra long video, but I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.